Why do I prefer portable application? First, for portable application, you don't need to install. You just need to download or copy it from somewhere else, unzip it, and then it's ready to run. For example, WinSCP, there's a portable version. You download it, it will be a zip file, and then you unzip it, double click on the exe, it is ready to go. Very handy. If you install an application, it will create a folder in program files or in program files x86, and they will put DLLs into System32. They will add entries into software under local machine or software under current user in the registry. The registry and the system folders become more and more things in it. Besides, you may end up with more and more entries in the service or startups, which surely impacting performance of the computer. Portable applications won't add entries into registry, won't add DLLs into system folders, so your system is clean and your computer will have better performance. Because portable application does not add DLLs into system folders, and it does not add entries into registry, it does not add things into services or startup. Once it is closed, you know there's nothing reside or keep running to harm your computer, dig information from your computer. So portable application in general make your system more secure. Fourth, it is easier to uninstall. You just need to delete that folder. That's all. If it is not a portable application, even you install it, it might have leftover registry entries or DLLs or junk files in your system. For example, here, the KM Player 64X, I already uninstalled it. There's still DLL and exe in this folder, and this folder itself is not deleted. Those kind of things not supposed to happen for portable application. Last but not least, portable application won't upgrade automatically. Some people might think this is a disadvantage, but to me, it is an advantage. If application is hosted online or installed in your computer, it upgrades one day. The functionality you want might be gone, or become faulty, or become a paid feature. But portable application won't upgrade automatically, so you know the functionality we want will always work well. To manually upgrade the application is not my concern. For example, if a new version is released and it runs well with good reputation, and I can confirm the functionality I want is still there and work well, I can download it, unzip it, and that's all good. So portable application is handy, leave your system clean and better performance, and is more secure, and there's no junks left. Besides, it maintains the functionality integrity. I like portable applications.